Hey guys, you buy keys. Welcome back to YouTube channel. So we have Liquidus leak token airdrop here. As of recording, this is an upcoming airdrop. But it's going to be starting off at least by 1 hour from now. So by the time this video gets up, it's going to be an ongoing airdrop. So you want to jump on it as soon as possible. It already has about 8,000 users who have this airdrop on their watch list. You want to be familiar with the price movement. So it has gone from lows of 0.8 to highs of $2.18. So the market data is tracked. Official website is made available here, which you can make your research, as well as other social media handles that have been made available there. So the interim contract audit has been done by two bodies, specifically one by Cetic and Akin, and one of the two most trusted. So it says here, airdrop is starting 58 minutes 49 seconds from now. So participating in Liquidus airdrop campaign, get up to 5 LIQ tokens. So Liquidus airdrop campaign is going to run from 26th and it's going to be ending February 14, 2022. Starts in 1 hour. Total airdrop amount 100k LIQ. The number of winners 20,000. So how to participate? It says add LIQ as watch list on CoinMarketCap. They follow LIQ on Twitter, join the LIQ Telegram group, join LIQ Telegram channel, and follow them on Medium, Reddit, Instagram, and retweet their pin posts. So detailed price, top 20,000 random winners who have completed all required tasks will receive 5 LIQ tokens per person. Note LIQ will select verified users and airdrop LIQ to their BEP20 address before the 14th of February 2022. So this is just the outline of this airdrop. For bonus tips, guys, we do recommend you tag as many friends as you can when you are retweeting and their paid post. Tag your friends and make sure they are interested in cryptocurrency too. Also follow up on the comment section. You can also retweet as much post as you see on the timeline of this official airdrop partner. So it's also a bonus tip. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Shubai Keys, peace out. Stay tuned for more and more love.